Welcome to Microsoft Fabric Architecture, the complete guide. In a world of exploding data, staying agile is your greatest competitive advantage. This course breaks down how to bridge the gap between massive scale and decentralized ownership. We'll explore modern trends like the Medallion architecture and data mesh and show you how to choose the right deployment model, balancing simplicity with total isolation. You'll learn to validate your designs with real-world stress tests and build a resilient foundation that protects your data against any disaster. Let's move beyond guesswork and start building a strategic, high-performance data platform. In a world where data volumes are exploding, the challenge isn't just storing information, it's staying agile while doing it. This is where Microsoft Fabric changes the game. By offering a unified, architecture-agnostic platform, it allows you to choose the strategy that fits your business, rather than being locked into one path. We see this evolution through patterns like Lambda and Kappa, which prioritize lightning-fast data streams. Then there's the Medallion architecture, which carefully refines data through bronze, silver, and gold layers to ensure high quality. For large organizations, the data mesh approach turns data into a product, moving ownership to the experts in the business domains. To make this work, we follow a clear, logical hierarchy. It starts with the tenant, representing your entire organization. This is fueled by capacity, the dedicated engine that determines your processing power. This engine drives your workspaces, where teams collaborate on the final items, the lakehouses and Power BI reports that turn raw numbers into life-changing insights. This isn't just a technical setup, it's a strategic foundation for growth. Choosing the right deployment model in Microsoft Fabric is all about finding the perfect balance between simplicity and isolation. We start with the Monolithic model. It's the simplest way to get moving, grouping everything into one workspace and one capacity. While this offers easy management and centralized security, it can lead to noisy neighbor issues where one heavy query slows everyone else down. Moving up, we have the hub and spoke model. This is perfect for teams that want to centralize their core data in a hub while letting different departments manage their own spoke workspaces for specific reporting. It's organized and efficient, but everyone still shares the same engine. Finally, for the ultimate scale, we look at scalable isolation. Here, we use multiple workspaces and multiple dedicated capacities. This ensures that a massive data science project in marketing never interferes with a critical month-end report in finance. It's the gold standard for performance, regional flexibility, and total workload independence. Moving to a data mesh is a true paradigm shift. It's about moving away from a central IT bottleneck and shifting ownership to the people who know the data best, the business domains. Microsoft Fabric makes this possible through 4 key pillars. First, we have domains. We group workspaces by business units like sales or marketing, allowing for federated governance where each team sets its own rules. Second are data products. Using the OneLake Data Hub and Microsoft Purview, we turn raw data into trusted, discoverable assets that any team can find and reuse. The third pillar is the self-serve platform. Fabric provides the agnostic storage and compute engines that every domain needs to build their products. Finally, we have federated governance. Tools like the OneLake catalog allow administrators to monitor global data health and compliance without needing to micromanage the underlying data. It's about empowering the business while maintaining enterprise-grade control. Microsoft Fabric is designed to be powerful right out of the box, but its true strength lies in its ability to grow with your unique needs. At its core, Fabric runs on a unified platform using specialized workloads. Think of these as dedicated engines for tasks like data engineering, data science, or real-time intelligence. But what if you have a highly specialized requirement, like an industry-specific AI model or a unique graph database? That's where the Workload Development Kit, or WDK, comes in. The WDK allows developers to build custom tools that become first-class citizens in the Fabric ecosystem. These aren't just plugins, they look and feel native. By using the WDK, these custom tools instantly benefit from shared security through Entra ID, store their data directly via OneLake integration, and live right in the Fabric sidebar for a unified experience. This open ecosystem is already flourishing, with major partners like Informatica and Neo4j bringing their specialized expertise directly into your Fabric environment. It's about building a platform that is as unique as your business. An architecture that looks great on paper can still fail under the pressure of real-world workloads. Because Microsoft Fabric is a SaaS platform, it manages performance through bursting, using future power for immediate tasks, and smoothing, which spreads the cost of heavy jobs over a 24-hour period. To take the guesswork out of capacity planning, we use standardized TPC-H testing. By simulating a complex corporate environment, we can run repeatable stress tests. We look at concurrency. What happens when 50 users hit one table? We check regional latency between global data centers, and we perform scale testing to ensure your investment provides a linear boost in speed. Finally, we build for resilience. OneLake protects your data with zone-redundant storage against local outages, soft delete for quick 7-day file recovery, and geo-redundancy to safeguard against major regional disasters. It's evidence-based planning that ensures your architecture is both performant and protected. This course guide to Microsoft Fabric architecture covers everything you need to build a future-proof data platform. We journey through modern trends like the Medallion Lakehouse and data mesh, shifting ownership from IT to business domains. We explored deployment models from simple monolithic setups to highly scalable isolated capacities. Finally, we looked at how to validate your design using TPC-H stress tests and protect your assets with OneLake's built-in resilience. It is a strategic foundation designed for speed, scale, and agility.